Good morning. Let us start now next topic, that is transportation. In the topo sheet it was given mainly with the red color, and also you see the topo sheet, the same type of a topo sheet you will get. At the bottom of the topo sheet the symbols were given. At the bottom the symbol was given. Similarly, this type of topo sheet, whatever the topo sheet you will get, the symbols will be given and also the meaning of symbol is given. So the same type of a symbols will be given. It will be easier to you to go through with these symbols and you can recognize the features. See the water body, the roads, everything was given. This was will be easier to you. Now how we see the transportation on topo sheet. In this topo sheet, if you see, many red lines were there, many red lines, curved line. The red curved line was given, not this straight line, that was a grid line. The curved red line was given. See, the curved line was there. This is only indicates the transportation. Now this single line means unlined road. Unlined road means the road which is not properly constructed. It was like a kachi sadak. Kachi sadak. It is not a very unlined road. It was not built properly. It was unlined. Similarly, you also see here dot and dash line, red dash line. If you see, it means it is also a road, but it is not as good as this road. It means it was not built, not concrete, only mud was there. The people were going and the road was made. Similarly, you see the metal road, which is metal road. Also you will see the metal road. See, here it was given, the double red line was given. Single line you have seen, the Kachi Sadak, and the double red line means metalled road. Metalled road means the road which is having the cemented, well built road. So this was the three types of a road: metalled, unmetalled, and the Kachi Sadak. And also you see on the mountainous season, also you see on the mountainous season, the red dotted line you will see. That was a dash line. Here you will see dotted line. This dotted line means very small row, red colored dotted line, which means a it was a small pagdandi, we call it pagdandi in the Hindi, that was there in the mountainous season. You also see this corner, the black double line. You see the black double line, that means a road, railway. It was also written the railway station. This black line, if you see, it was a railway. It means the railway. So this is the 3-4 types of a road I have shown, and with the help of this road only, you will see the transportation. The black color line, if it is given the black double line, it means the mode of a transportation over there will be the railway. The black line will be railway. The two double line means it is a metal road. Metal road means well built road. After that, the unmetal road, which is shown with the red line, it means it was road, but it is not a well developed road. That Pagdandi and the Kacha Rasta. Now, with the help of these symbols, we recognize the mode of transportation of that region. How we observe that? The reason where the metal road is there means it is a well developed region. Maybe in the city side we having a metal road, while in the village side we having unmetal road, Kacha Rasta, Pagdandi is there. So with the help of this we can understand the region is developed or undeveloped. The developed region having the roads, metal road, the railway and so on. While in the undeveloped region we doesn't have this type of a thing. The unmetal road is there, the dash line was there, the dotted red line was there. It means it is not well built road. It was simply a road with the mud. It is not constructed. Generally, the people were moving there, and it becomes a road. It is also tells about the mode of transportation. With the help of this road, we also come to know about the mode of transportation. Mode of transportation is what is used there. The metal road, the two double red line means metal road. There the bus, truck, four-wheeler, all type of a four-wheeler is used as a mode of transportation. While unmetal road we'll see, unmetal road is also we can use, it was not well connected, well built, but we can use the bus, truck, car, all the things. But while we're not having the red line, we having only the dotted line, that is not a builder road. So there mainly the bullock cart, horse cart, cycle, rickshaw. These will be the mode of transportation because the road is not built properly. So this type of a mode will be the main mode of transportation. And if you see the reason mainly we having a Toposhi, most of the Gujarat and Rajasthan and many of the village side. So most of the reason we having that cart track on metal road only. So the bullock cart, horse cart will be the main mode of transportation. With the help of this road, with the help of this road, we can come to know what is the mode of transportation, what mode is used to move from one place to another. Thank you.